Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Gorgeous, you're welcome. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for tuning in. In case you're wondering, in here I review wigs from different companies. Okay, I try my best to install the wig the way that pleases me. I'm not a professional, I'm not a hairstylist, but I try my best. And the most important thing here, I tell you guys the truth about the wigs I review. If the wig have any problem, I will tell you. If it doesn't have problem, I will tell you as well. So the wig I'll be installing today is from Aligrace hair. It came in this pack you're seeing right here, so we're going to unbox it together. All right, this is the wig in here. It's kept inside this plastic bag. Ooh, there is a bonnet that came with it. Wow. Oh, I love this bonnet. See, with their logo on it, Aligrace. You see this? Oh, thank you. This is so cute. Look at the inside. You can change it to the color you want. Oh, I like this pink. If you want it pink. Oh, this is lovely. So if you want to turn it as well, this is gorgeous. Thank you so much, Aligrace hair. There are some other things inside. There is a hairband to secure your wig. There is a card inside. Leave all 5 stars, get 5% off. Let me see if there's any other thing. No more. So guys, the hair is burgundy color, 13 by 4 lace wig, 150 density, and it's coily hair. You can see it here. Let me bring it out. Burgundy color, 13 by 4 lace wig. Oh, you cannot go wrong with 13 by 4 lace wig. This is it. Whoa. You can see this is it. You see the color, this burgundy color, and it's 18 inches. You can see the hairline. This is the construction of the inside. You can see this. Came with some combs in and inbuilt adjustable strap, which is this. There are about 4 combs that came with it. You guys can see. So you guys can see the color. Okay, 18 inches. I'm trying to do Fiji. I live on the island of Scoily. This is the hairline. You can see the hairline. The lace is brown. I don't know why it's showing kind of white on camera. Excuse me. I don't know why. So the hairline, it came a little bit plucked. So guys, this is it on. You see the front, okay? You can repluck this if you want to repluck it. Like I said, I install my wigs in a very simple way. I don't like manipulating the hair that much. I just install my wigs sharp and they look beautiful. So you're going to see what I will do. You can create a center part, you can create a side part, whichever part you want. So I just want to create a part like this. Take it away, take it away. Yeah, this is cool. This is all I want. Here in this room, what did you do? If you've been watching my videos, you know lately I've been creating C part, center part. My best part is center part. That's my best part, center part. But I just want a straight part today, but side, okay? So this is all I want. I'll take mousse. This hair mousse. I will apply it on the part. I'll just use my hot comb and comb this. Because I want this side very flat.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah.
I'll take little gel. This is optional, okay? If you like, you can do this, but I want it flat, so I will use styling gel and brush this back.
I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my
So if you like, you do the same. If you like, you can skip this.
myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work.
So this is how I want it.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to cut the lace from it.
You never leave my thoughts alone. You're the reason I'm going down.
So I'll cut it very, very close to the hairline. I don't even mind removing some hair. Guys, I have cut the lace. I made a mistake here, but see, there's a gap, but don't worry, I'm going to fix that. So I'll use a styling gel. I'm just going to apply the styling gel all over. Put all over like this. So guys, I tied it down. I want to comb the coils. See what came out of it as I'm combing it. This. If you want the hair to coil, the more you can put cream. Maybe I'm going to try that, but I want it to be more defined than this. See the front? So you can pack it if you want, anyhow you want it. So guys, that is it for this hair from Aligrace. You can just put the part wherever you want. You can put it in the center, by the side, C part, whatever part you want to define, okay? So guys, when you wet it with water, this is how the coils will define. This is how it will define. I just added little water to it. See here, added water, and you see how the coils is not tiny. I love it wet and when it's dry as well. You can see this. Let me zoom. You can see it. See that? See the coils when you wet it. Only water. So guys, I'm going to leave the link on the description box. It's from Aligrace hair. It's Burgundy 13 by 4 lace wig and it's 18 inches. Coily. You see, you can coil it more than this if you want to make the coil more defined. So that is it. I will see you guys in my next one. Gorgeous, please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon, and I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Ciao.